Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the 7 best fat tire electric bikes today. Fat tire electric bikes are perfect to conquering various terrains with ease while providing comfort and control. Whether you are commuting, exploring off-road trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, these bikes are designed to enhance your cycling experience. Let's explore the best options available today. At the first position of our list, we have VARUN Ebike 500W. The VARUN Ebike is a powerful and versatile electric bike equipped with a 500-watt motor. This bike is designed to tackle a variety of terrains thanks to its robust build and fat tires. The 4-inch wide tires offer excellent traction and stability, ensuring a smooth ride on sand, snow and rough trails. The bike's 500-watt motor provides ample power, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 20 mph. The motor is paired with a 48-volt 12.5 Ah battery, offering a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long rides and daily commutes. The VARUN Ebike features a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, ensuring smooth and precise gear changes to adapt to different terrains. Durability and comfort are key features of this bike. The frame is made of high-strength aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet steady. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, enhancing the comfort of your ride. Additionally, the bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. With its combination of power, durability and comfort, the VARUN Ebike is an excellent choice for any rider. At number 2, we have the Ridstar electric bike for adults. The Ridstar electric bike for adults is a top-tier choice for those seeking a reliable and powerful electric bike. It features a 500-watt brushless motor that delivers impressive performance, enabling speeds of up to 20 mph. The 48-volt 10.4 Ah lithium battery ensures a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance rides and daily commutes. This bike is designed with comfort and usability in mind. The fat tires provide excellent stability and grip, allowing riders to confidently navigate various terrains. The bike's frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and durable. The adjustable seat and handlebar height make it suitable for riders of different sizes. One of the standard features of the Ridstar electric bike is its dual-disc brake system, which offers superior stopping power and safety. The front suspension fork helps absorb shocks from rough terrain, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano gear system, allowing for easy adjustments and optimal performance on different surfaces. With its blend of power, comfort and versatility, the Ridstar electric bike is an excellent option for adult riders. Next up at number 3, we have VELECTREC 1000-watt peak electric bike. The VELECTREC 1000-watt peak electric bike is a powerhouse designed for serious off-road enthusiasts. This bike is equipped with a 1000-watt peak motor, delivering exceptional power and performance. The motor is complemented by a 48-volt 14 Ah battery, providing a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long adventures. The VELECTREC bike features 4-inch wide fat tires, offering excellent traction and stability on various terrains, including sand, snow and rocky paths. The steady aluminum alloy frame ensures durability and longevity, while the front suspension fork and rear shock absorber enhance the bike's ability to handle rough trails and uneven surfaces. Riders will appreciate the 21-speed Shimano transmission system, which allows for precise and smooth gear changes, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. The bike is also equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable and efficient stopping power. Additionally, the VELECTREC bike includes a bright LED headlight and a horn, enhancing safety during night rides. With its powerful motor, robust design and advanced features, the VELECTREC 1000-watt peak electric bike is a top choice for off-road adventurers. The number 4 position is held by NARRAK Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. The NARRAK Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike combines convenience with performance, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts alike. The bike is powered by a 500-watt motor capable of reaching speeds up to 20 mph. Its 48-volt 10 Ah lithium battery provides a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for various riding needs. One of the standard features of the NARRAK bike is its folding design, which allows for easy storage and transportation. Despite its compact size when folded, the bike boasts 4-inch wide fat tires that offer excellent traction and stability on different terrains. The frame is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and a lightweight build. The NARRAK bike comes equipped with a 7-speed Shimano gear system, allowing riders to tackle different terrains with ease. The front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides. The front suspension fork helps absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. With its blend of portability, power and comfort, the NARRAK Fat Tire Folding electric bike is a versatile option for riders of all types. The number 5 position is dominated by Invanti electric bike dual suspension. The Invanti electric bike is designed for riders who demand both performance and comfort. It features a powerful 750-watt motor that provides impressive acceleration and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The bike's 48-volt 13Ah battery ensures a range of up to 55 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for long-distance rides and daily commutes. This bike is equipped with dual suspension, including a front suspension fork and a rear shock absorber, providing a smooth and comfortable ride on rough terrains. The 4-inch wide fat tires offer excellent stability and grip, allowing riders to confidently navigate various surfaces. The steady aluminum alloy frame ensures stability and longevity. The Invanti electric bike features a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, allowing for smooth and precise gear changes. The hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, ensuring safety during rides. Additionally, the bike comes with a bright LED headlight and a horn, enhancing visibility and safety during night rides. With its combination of power, comfort, and advanced features, the Invanti electric bike is a top choice for riders seeking a high-performance electric bike. Next up, number 6, we have the MOVCAN electric bike for adults. The MOVCAN electric bike for adults is a versatile and powerful option for riders of all levels. It features a 500-watt motor that delivers strong performance, enabling speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The bike's 48-volt 10Ah lithium battery provides a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long rides and daily commutes. The bike is designed with comfort and usability in mind. The fat tires provide excellent stability and grip, allowing riders to confidently navigate various terrains. The bike's frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and durable. The adjustable seat and handlebar height make it suitable for riders of different sizes. One of the standard features of the MOVCAN electric bike is its dual-disc brake system, which offers superior stopping power and safety. The front suspension fork helps absorb shocks from rough terrain, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano gear system, allowing for easy adjustments and optimal performance on different surfaces. With its blend of power, comfort, and versatility, the MOVCAN electric bike is an excellent option for adult riders. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the Peak 3000-watt fat tire electric bike. The Peak 3000-watt fat tire electric bike is a powerhouse designed for serious off-road enthusiasts. This bike is equipped with a 3000-watt motor, delivering exceptional power and performance. The motor is complemented by a 60-volt 20Ah battery, providing a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long adventures. The Peak bike features 4-inch wide fat tires, offering excellent traction and stability on various terrains, including sand, snow, and rocky paths. The steady aluminum alloy frame ensures stability and longevity, while the front suspension fork and rear shock absorber enhance the bike's ability to handle rough trails and uneven surfaces. Riders will appreciate the 21-speed Shimano transmission system, which allows for precise and smooth gear changes, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. The bike is also equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable and efficient stopping power. Additionally, the Peak bike includes a bright LED headlight and a horn, enhancing safety during night rides. With its powerful motor, robust design, and advanced features, the Peak 3000-watt fat tire electric bike is a top choice for off-road adventurers. And there you have it, the top 7 best fat tire electric bikes available today. Each bike offers unique features and benefits, catering to different riding styles and terrains. Whether you are a commuter, an off-road enthusiast, or someone looking for a versatile and powerful ride, there's a fat tire electric bike on this list for you. Enjoy your ride and stay safe on the road.